been such a tiring day. My dad and I, we had to do Thanksgiving stuff, and then we had to do tree stuff, and then Mom got all lit up, which we won't even discuss that part, but apparently we're lit up with hats and stuff. But look, the tree is getting there because we can only decorate temporarily because someone is doing exploring, and Mom thinks that she's gonna like take the tree down because she's stalking, and Katie's over here. Then there's the kitty hiding behind the boxes again. I know you're going in. Oh, Allie. This is your first Christmas with us. It may be our last tree. Oh, look, there's all sorts of fun things to play with. Oh, a little scratch. Okay, back to the tree. And meanwhile, I am still napping with Dad. Oh, hang on. Oh dear, this is going to be complicated. I can just see it. Well, how cool. They put this really neat thing in the house for me that has all sorts of entertainment value. I will get back to you once I figure out how to take it all down. Meanwhile, I'm snoring. I have to rest up for when the cat knocks the tree down. Uh-oh. That may happen sooner than later. She's on a mission. Oh, Allie. Oh, now you've got Jack. Oh dear. This could be dreadfully complicated and dreadfully messy. Katie, what do you think? Katie, you're supposed to be in charge. Katie, come on. Oh. All right, well, here's the tree. While it's still up, we may have a next video of the tree not so up. Stockings are hung by the chimney with care. And there's Katie.